Okay, so I'm here with a Paclock PL410-Pro lockout tagout, and I dumped the pins on this. And so what I did is, I don't know if you can see, I tried to cut the edges as much as possible. Rattle club here. I'm hoping, what I want to do is take this apart, get the pins and everything, and then I'm hoping to stick it into my 98 Pro as another core to mess with. So now I might have to cut this video a few times if I can't like get different tools and stuff. So let's see what happens here. I have no idea. I've never opened one of these. I'm hoping I may actually, when I was using a saw, I started hearing metal and I thought, oh, I better stop. So I thought I'd finish it, maybe finish it off with a utility knife. Yeah, oh yeah, okay, so let's see here. I think I'm pretty much open most of the way, except I don't think I have this part where the shackle goes in. I don't have that cut because you know, it's a shame it didn't have the, oh, it does have those. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. It may break. I may have to break it there at that part. So let's see. Curious. Oh, there we go. Okay. I think it's popping open pretty easy here. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Alright, so now let's see. What did I do? Oh, I see. Okay. It looks as though I may have dumped not just the key pins, but maybe possibly some of the driver pins, which that's going to be a problem. Unless, oh wow. Okay, alright, so some of these driver pins, let's see if I can get it on something and show you. Let's see here. So yeah, some of these driver pins are actually serrated. That's pretty crazy, huh? I don't think the 98 Pro, that doesn't have any serrated key pins, does it? So let me just show you. So it looks like 3 out of the 4. Wait, 1, 2. Yeah, 3 out of the 4 actually have serrated key pins. When I picked this thing, now I'm not surprised that it took me a little bit longer. Let's see if I can show. There it is. So that's a key pin. See, it has the, come on. There we go. Has the point there. So yeah, sorry my hands are dirty. I've been doing a lot of activities today, fixing toilets, you name it. So pretty cool, huh? So my goal, I think what I'm going to attempt to do is try to, let me think about this. I think I want to try to line up yeah. I'm going to take the key out first. Oh, I feel like I should have it the other way if I'm going to do this. I guess not. I'm going to try to line up the pins with the key first. So this may take a couple minutes. I need something flat. Darn it, I should have been more prepared. Oh, what do I got here? What do I got? Well, maybe I could do it in here anyway. It's gonna be a little trickier. This what I'm thinking about doing is, yeah, swapping this out. So, looks like, okay, pretty sure that's gonna be the last pin. That's all the same there. All the serrated pins. Oh, this is not going to work out very well, is it? I guess I should almost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line them up, get an idea, and then hopefully when I stick it in the stick it back in, it'll work without having to constantly keep dumping them out and lining them up. Thinking there, and there for those. So if that's the case, it would be 1, 2, and 4. As of now, are serrated driver pins. And it looks like I got that one there. That's definitely going to be that one. It's a very high lift. And then it looks like, oh wait a minute here. Okay. Alright, that's going to be the second one. Another high lift, and then it's just a matter of these. These are so close, but I can imagine it's going to be that one and then that one. So it would be like this and like this. Okay. I think I am gonna cut this video. Actually, no. Let's do this. Okay, so 1 like that, then that one, and this one, that one, and then these two. Okay, I think that's going to be the order. Let's test it out here. Because oh, you know what, I don't know if this is going to work in the other one or not. I'm very curious.
Daddy, can you play with me?
Yeah, can you give me 1 minute there, sweetheart?
Okay, Daddy.
Right in the middle of something. Watch out, don't get in the camera. I have a camera going. I don't want anyone to see you. Okay. Daddy's trying to maybe fix his lock here, or trying to.
Daddy, but my nail is long.
Oh yeah?
But my nail broke.
Oh, did it? Oh, you need me to fix it? Wow, this is. I don't know if you can see that on camera. That pin is so little. I don't know. Never seen one that small. Holy moly, that's gonna be hard to get in there.
But
May have
where's
to
your
grab some.
grandma?
What?
Where's your grandma?
It's up there. Okay, so stay out of there. Don't come over here.
But Daddy, I just want to get through.
Okay, well, just give me 1 minute. I'm almost done here. And then you can walk all through that you want. Okay, so let's see if this turns. Okay, so that turns. So clearly that's the right. Yeah, okay. So that's the right order for that. I think I'm going to maybe put a piece of tape. Just,
right
you
here.
gonna hang out with me for a minute?
Yeah.
Put a piece of tape over that for now. Not that I think anything's gonna happen. Then I think we're good to go. I'm gonna go get my 98 Pro. Maybe slide that bad boy right in there and call it a day.